3 charts, 3 tokens, 1 clear message. The smart money is already positioning. Are you? Cardano is gearing up for its biggest airdrop in history. Frax just flipped the narrative with its tokenomics overhaul, and Synthetix? It's rising from the ashes with a DeFi model that could outpace traditional exchanges. But forget the hype, let's talk price action. Each of these coins is flashing major breakout potential on the weekly time frame. Fibonacci targets? We're talking $2.66 for ADA, $73 for Frax, and even $13 for Synthetix. This video is not financial advice. It's a visual journey into momentum, structure, and strategy. If you trade based on narratives, you'll miss it. But if you trade based on data, welcome to the edge. Let's dive into the charts that could define the next crypto wave. Cardano is carving a rising wedge on the weekly time frame. And this isn't noise, this is a structure with history. Price is currently holding support at the 236 retracement after rejecting the 82 cents Fibonacci level. Volume nodes on the VRVP suggest a major battle zone here. This area has strong historical participation. But the targets? If we follow the wedge structure and Fibonacci extension, 1618 level at $1.84 and a bullish target around $2.60. Aligned perfectly with the top of the wedge, Fibonacci RSI is curling up from neutral levels. No overbought conditions, just momentum building. Now layer in this. Charles Hoskinson just teased the largest airdrop ever, reaching 37 million addresses, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and more. And at Consensus 2025, he reinforced ADA's longevity. You only survive with a good philosophy and community. That's sentiment fuel for the price engine. Verdict: if ADA holds above 70 cents and reclaims $1, the setup to $2.66 becomes very real. Accumulate smart. Exit smarter. Now let's talk FXS, or rather Frax post-rebrand. On the weekly chart, we've just broken a multi-month descending trend line. This is the cleanest breakout we've seen since 2024. Price bounced off the bottom at $1.25 and now targets $11.80. First stop, $28, and the golden 1618 extension near $73. There's room. And momentum is explosive. Fibonacci RSI is pushing past midline with clear strength. But here's what turbocharges this. Frax share FXS has been renamed to Frax, becoming the gas token for Fractal. It fuels the Frax burn engine. Gas plus fees equals deflationary tokenomics. No more inflation narrative. No more confusion. This is utility plus scarcity equals potential explosion. If you're trying to build passive income in crypto, staking, farming, airdrops, don't rely only on YouTube videos. That's why I put together a full, beginner-friendly guide that goes deeper into yield strategies and sustainable crypto setups. The ebook is just $4.99 and pinned in the top comment. Take a look, you'll thank yourself later. Moving on, look at this falling channel on SNX. It's textbook. Price is testing the mid-range and aiming for the 618 retracement at $2.49, with potential breakout levels at $5.60, $8.70, and a stretch target at $13. We're still early. Fibonacci RSI is turning bullish from the floor. If volume confirms, this might be a trend reversal in the making. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Synthetix V4 just launched, a full pivot away from AMMs to CLOB style derivatives. Plus, the new Synthetix accounts enable gasless, email-based trading, removing friction for retail. This is massive. It's not just another DeFi facelift. It's a new infrastructure layer for serious traders. Takeaway: SNX might be undervalued relative to its roadmap. The chart suggests bottoming. The fundamentals are refreshing. You decide. Here's what the charts are whispering. ADA is aligning fundamentals with price targets. The wedge points to $2.66. Frax has volume, trendline breakout, and tokenomics on fire. SNX is early stage in a recovery, but positioned for a structural breakout. We're not here to shill. We're here to decode momentum with logic and structure. And these three setups? They're worth watching every single week. If this video gave you clarity, destroy that like button. It helps more than you know. Drop a comment. Which one are you buying? ADA? FXS? SNX? I'll reply to every comment. And don't forget, my DeFi ebook is pinned in the top comment. If you want long-term freedom through crypto, it's a small investment that could pay off big. Another alpha-packed video is waiting for you on screen right now. Click it and keep leveling up your edge. You're on Crypto Yield Pro. Let's keep winning. See you tomorrow.